If you've been following this build, you know it's been a long road to get here. But today is the day this shelf finally starts feeling like garden office.
Hello YouTube, people at home. Enjoying your Saturday afternoons or whatever day it is when you're watching this.
First up, we're tackling the insulation. We are using this silver foil insulation from Dunster house. In the UK garden buildings, this is a non-negotiable if you want to use the space year round.
Yeah, that's alright now.
Yep.
Do you remember they put a lot of staples on the video? There were a lot of staples, the house wrap and their stuff.
That's it.
A lot of staples.
Yeah, but don't forget you need to get your...
chairs and staples.
You need to get the space for the nail gun as well.
Am I stapling on these loose ones or are you just...
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah, couple perhaps.
So I'm just letting this sit loose, what?
Yeah, loose. Yeah,
Like that?
Yeah.
Then nail in here, hammer, yeah?
Maybe 3 rubber. We have to talk about the silver lining, literally. It's all about creating that thermal barrier to keep the heat in during winter and out during summer.
Who knows if I'm doing this right?
Knowing the office will be cozy even in February makes it worth the effort. After that we can start laying, isn't it?
Huh?
After that we can start laying.
Yep. Didn't think we'd get to this point.
No?
I'm not. Only time soon. I'm gonna get the nail gun.
Yeah.
That one's all going deep enough. It's gonna need the hammer, that one.
Need a hammer.
Just that rope, that first one, that one there was a bit of a rope one. Cool.
My favourite, Tongue Groove. Yeah, roughly like that I would say. Roughly like that I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that, yeah? Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What are you thinking? I think
Yeah,
that's
that's
good.
fine.
Yeah.
I would say.
Not bigger than that, yeah.
No. Okay.
Yep.
To be careful not to go too close to the edge, no?
I need to start bringing the blanks in, aren't I?
Yeah. Right that way. That's too big.
I'll put them the right way then. I'll put them on the right way for you.
I'm very glad we got this nail gun.
Oh yeah.
Enjoyed us working together on this, huh? Well, it's not done yet. No, it is pretty good.
Yes.
You've done a good job together.
Very good.
Still got quite a bit to do.
It's on the camera, my darling. It's on the camera.
Yeah. Didn't even realise that was on.
How does it feel?
Huh?
How does the floor feel?
I don't know. Good.
Solid.
Yeah.
Now for the flooring itself, these are the Tongue Groove boards that clip together to create solid floor. There is something so grounded about using real timber. The smell in here right now is incredible. There is a real rhythm to it once you get going.
It's just maybe slightly harder wood, something, I don't know.
Second row?
Oh, second row? Oh, right, okay. You're going to stagger it away.
Well, otherwise we have to
put
new silver on.
Okay.
It's a bit of a workout for the lower back, and our knees are definitely feeling it.
Yeah, a short one now, do I? This one?
Yeah.
I'm experimenting.
No.
There's a bit of risks.
Yeah.
It's not going to be pleasant.
Is it any better?
Very
Yeah,
good.
Alright, is
I haven't seen the measurements, but I'm sure you're following them.
I mean, does it feel a bit more stable?
Well, I haven't stepped on it.
Well, that's why I'm asking you.
Any particular preferences on how you want to get it done?
I can see it
For any
moving.
services?
I can see it moving.
Yeah, it's because of that. So I think it's the same. It's going to grow into it. Doesn't hurt.
Anyway, carry on.
Yeah. Overlap each board, check the level, nail, repeat. It's therapeutic after the stress of the main build.
Maybe we should cut the nails. If it'll make it squeaky all the time.
I can see that you're a bit dubious, yeah? And I'll be honest with you, brother. You're not away from Dubai.
Huh?
But that don't matter.
Doesn't seem to be squeaky on these ones. I was always just imagining this.
No, you're not imagining it.
I have to take all those out.
No, just leave them in.
Huh?
Just leave them in, but don't put any others.
I won't put any more. You sure?
Yeah.
How much is it? 50.
This is best.
What about 4 or 5 mils? No. I told you that's not good enough. You're dirty.
No more middle ones then.
No.
I think it's more to do with the gaps in these. Well, the wood's warping a bit. You can see it's close together there. We need to make sure, just put them close together. I wonder where we should take those last few out, just push them closer together.
I'm avoiding your bum, don't worry. You can see the silver insulation slowly disappearing. and the room is instantly feeling warmer and quieter.
Be hitting knots in that wood or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Job done.
I need to do one more.
No, that last one we leave.
Today's video is sponsored by Patterson's Scottish Bakers since 1895 shortbread.
We know your sponsors then. Keeps us going on the site. No progress. There is floor.
Come on in, Bob.
There is no floor.
What's your step, yeah?
So we need to get that floor then.
I don't think I'm going to use it.
Come and tell our viewers at home what you think so far.
Hello, I think it's amazing.
It makes all those days of laying the ground screws and erecting the timber walls feel worth it. We're so close. I can almost taste the first cup of coffee in my finished office. But as with any DIY project, we've run into a bit of final row bubble.
That's where fun begins, I guess. We need to think about our cutting system.
There's some problems there.
Oh yeah.
And then
Next time we are finishing the final row.
what are we going to use to cut it? Handsaw would be too fiddly because you only.
Oh yeah, you want to do the... Is that going to be wonky, is it? I would say we cut on the wall sides. Even if there's gap left on the wall side, we're going to cover it up.
Yeah, yeah.
I reckon we need to cut each one of these.
We want to make time to get the finishing cuts perfect, so we are calling it a day here.